Hello everyone, my name is Grace Ng and I'm a voice teacher, a hypnotherapist and a Jin Shin Jyutsu practitioner. Today I'm going to discuss the metaphysical law of attraction. The law of attraction is a passion of mine. I'm very glad to be able to integrate it with Jin Shin Jyutsu to give you my opinion on how you can use the two together. I first got interested in Abraham Hicks' presentation of the law of attraction because it references source energy, which is also referenced in Jin Shin Jyutsu. The law of attraction states that like is drawn to like. However and whatever vibration you are emanating will draw to it something similar. One can use the law of attraction to manifest whatever one wants. I mostly use it to manifest money. In Jin Shin Jyutsu, energy comes up the back as the inhale and down the front as the exhale. The back of the body represents your personal needs. This is where your desires are born. The front of the body is where energy comes down as the exhale. The front of the body is where manifestations occur, in front of your eyes. As the energy travels down the front, it goes through three areas, so to speak: the bust line, the waistline, and the hip line. I've mentioned them before in my videos on voice and on healing. The concept is entirely the same. The bust line represents I feel. Going further down, the waistline represents I think. And finally, the last area is I am. My emotions become my thoughts, which in turn manifests as my actions. This, however, is provided that I can exhale. Energy can get stuck along the bust line, waistline, or hip line on a particular subject and never get to the manifestation stage. For example, you might find yourself being called to do something, but you never take action. Taking action is a hip line manifestation. You might want to manifest money, but you've been conditioned to hate the rich. Now that is a bust line disharmony. As mentioned in the previous videos, you can tell how your subconscious feels about a subject that you wish to manifest on by your breathing patterns. The inhale should lead into the exhale, and the exhale should lead into the inhale smoothly. If the breath stops at the bust line and you find yourself breathing into your upper chest, you're having an emotional disharmony on the subject that you're trying to manifest. If the breath stops at the waistline, you may notice that your ribs don't move when you breathe. You might also feel a tightening around the rib area when you think about a desired subject. If the breath stops at the hip line, you may find that your abdominal muscles are tight. If you laugh, the laugh seems to come from the upper chest like so, ha 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 ha, rather than accompanied by belly movement, ha 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 ha. If this is the case, you might have difficulty taking action on the subject that you wish to manifest. Alternatively, you may be doing a little too much to help the manifestation, so that it becomes a hindrance instead. If the breath is flowing smoothly and you are inhaling and exhaling deeply and with ease, perhaps you just need to pick up more momentum. We all start with a desire that we think is big. Gradually, we learn to relax more and more into it until one day we become it. Good luck and happy manifesting.